Can we disable guest mode in Google Chrome and phone? In this quick tutorial, we're going to be figuring out whether we can disable guest mode in Google Chrome. So let's get right into it. On the Chrome app for phones, guest mode is part of the profile switching features. So while you can't directly turn it off, there's a way to prevent from using it. So what you need to do is first make sure Chrome is signed into your primary Google account. Just tap the profile icon and sign in if you haven't already. This keeps your settings locked in. Now on Android, you can use screen pinning to lock Chrome in your profile and stop others from switching to guest mode. To do that, just go to settings and on security, you'll find screen pinning and turn it on. Now open Chrome and use the app switches to pin the app. This stops others from exiting or switching modes without your pin or fingerprint. Now, some phones also have app lock, so simply turn that option off on. As you can see in iPhone, you have an option called require face ID. Simply toggle that option on and simply turn on that option. You can lock Chrome with your fingerprint or face password to stop others from switching profiles. Now, for iPhone users, guest mode can't be disabled directly, but you can use screen time to set limits on Chrome uses or restrict changes to accounts. And that's it. While there's no disable button for guest mode on phones, using these methods will help restrict access to keep your browsing private.